In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Figmoji Figma plugin. Whether you're decorating a UI, polishing a presentation, or adding personality to social posts, Figmoji makes it fast to drop clean, scalable emojis right into your Figma designs without leaving your canvas. Start inside Figma with a design file open. From the top bar, open the Plugins menu and choose Browse Plugins in Community. In the search field, type Figmoji. When you see the plugin, click Install. That's it. No extra setup. It works the same in the desktop app or in the browser as long as you're signed in. After installing, you'll find it in your plugins list anytime you need it. If your team uses plugin permissions, you may need approval first. Once it's approved, the install is instant. With your file active, right-click anywhere on the canvas to hover over plugins and select Figmoji. The emoji panel will appear. If nothing opens, make sure you're right-clicking on the canvas itself and that the install fully completed. Keep the panel open while you design so you can drop in multiple emojis without reopening it each time. Inside the panel, use the search bar to find exactly what you need. Short, simple keywords work best. Try smile, heart, fire, or check. Results update as you type, so refine a word if you don't see the style you want. Not sure what to search? Scroll through the categories to discover popular moods, symbols, and objects. To place an emoji, just click it. It's instantly added to your canvas near your current view so you can move it into position right away. Click again to add more. Each one comes in as vector artwork that stays crisp at any size so you don't have to worry about pixelation. Once an emoji is selected, you can freely resize it by dragging the corner handles, and it won't lose quality because it's vector-based. Many emojis support direct color edits. Look to the fill controls in the right sidebar to tweak hues to match your brand. Some are built from multiple layers. Select individual parts in the Layers panel to adjust specific fills. You can also rotate or flip for emphasis and pair the emoji with text or icons to build a quick badge or callout. For tidy layouts, snap to smart guides, use alignment tools and group related items so they move together. Figmoji shines across a range of projects. Add celebratory marks to social media graphics, reinforce success and error states in UI mockups, bring expressive touches to slides, or highlight features on a landing page. Keep sizing and spacing consistent across a set, use brand colors where editable, and pair emojis with labels for clarity and accessibility. That's the flow. Install Figmoji from the community, open it from the canvas, search or browse, click to insert, then customize to fit your design. With these steps, you'll add clarity, emotion, and polish in seconds, right inside Figma.